Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving deep into the world of automotive inspection tools, specifically focusing on what many consider the best automotive borescope available on the market, the Teslong two-way articulating borescope. If you're a mechanic, DIY enthusiast, or just someone who wants to see the insides of engines in hard-to-reach spaces, this tool is going to be a game-changer for you. The Teslong Borescope features a sleek, compact design that houses a 5-inch IPS LCD screen and an articulating head, allowing you to navigate through narrow spaces effortlessly. What sets this tool apart is its two-way articulation capability, which means you can control the direction of the probe tip to get the perfect angle for inspection. This is especially useful when you're peering into engines or other complex machinery, saving you valuable time and potentially avoiding costly repairs. Let's take a closer look at what you can expect when you use the Teslong Borescope. Right out of the box, it's ready to go. There's no need for complicated setups, external software, or even a smartphone app. You simply charge it up, turn it on, and you're ready to start inspecting. It comes equipped with a 3000 mAh rechargeable battery that ensures you have plenty of power for extended use. With a resolution of 1920 by 1080, the video quality is impressive. You'll be able to capture clear and sharp images and videos of your inspections, which is crucial when diagnosing issues. Plus, it includes a built-in wireless adapter, allowing you to share images with colleagues in real time during your inspections. This feature can significantly enhance collaboration and problem-solving on the spot. When you purchase the Teslong Borescope, you'll also receive a 32GB micro SD card, which is pre-installed. This means you can start recording your inspections immediately. The Borescope supports both JPG images and AVI video recordings, allowing you to document findings comprehensively. You can even record audio through the built-in speaker and microphone, adding another layer of detail to your inspections. One of the standout features of the Teslong Borescope is its durability. The probe is designed to withstand the rigors of automotive inspection, and its compact size, just 1/4 of an inch, makes it perfect for accessing tight spaces that other tools simply cannot reach. Whether you're inspecting an engine, looking at plumbing, or checking electrical systems, this Borescope provides the versatility and reliability you need. We've heard from many satisfied users who have praised the Teslong Borescope for its intuitive design and ease of use. Mechanics have noted that it significantly cuts down the time spent on diagnostics, as they can easily view the condition of engine parts without disassembly. The articulation feature has been highlighted as a significant advantage, providing the flexibility needed for intricate inspections. In conclusion, if you're in the market for an automotive inspection tool that offers excellent performance, versatility, and ease of use, the Teslong two-way articulating borescope is definitely worth considering. Its combination of advanced features and straightforward operation makes it a top choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. So, what are you waiting for? Check out the link in the description below to get your own Teslong Borescope today. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews and insights on the latest tools and gadgets. Until next time, happy inspecting!